If your numlock is not working, then how you can enable numlock at startup? So to start, we need to open the registry editor. Press the Window plus R key all together on your keyboard to open the run box. Now type regedit and hit enter. So now we need to find the specific setting on the left hand side. So click the arrow next to H key users, expand the default, open the control panel, and finally click on the keyboard folder. And on the right side, look for a name called initial keyboard indicators. So right click and select modify. So you will see a value data box. Change whatever number is in there to number 2. Some system shows 0, that means numlock is off, and 2 means numlock is always on. In some laptop, use a longer number like 214-748-3648, like that. But changing it to 2 usually works for everyone, and click OK to apply. And now close the registry editor and restart your computer. You will notice that when you reach the login screen, your numlock light is already on, and you can start typing your PIN or password immediately using the number pad. So be careful in the registry editor. Changing the wrong file can cause system issues, so make sure you only follow these specific steps. It's always a good idea to create a system restore point before making changes.